Hi friends, once again welcome back. Previous video we show you how to pay property tax in Mumbai across any ward, and this video we are going to show you how to get the how to download your tax payment summary for any year. Especially I'll show you the tax annexure and ledger. So both I will be showing you basically the tax payment receipt as well as the annexure for previous years, any year. So what you have to do is again go to login to portal.mcgm. You can search for mcgm portal. You can do it from any of your device, and if you scroll down left side, the same option previously you were using for paying the tax for your property, the same option you are going to click here, property tax new. So once you are in, I just showed you in the previous video. Okay, here you have to skip it. This is a pop-up, read through and skip it. Press the skip button at the bottom, and then we are into the portal. You can see here, and if you scroll down at the bottom, this is the place you have to give your property account number. I just showed you in the previous video how to get your property account number. If you do not know, so I just assume you know the property account number now, because previous video I just showed you. If you do not know account number, watch the previous video. I will I have explained how to get your property account number. Now I just assume you know your property account number. You entered it, you enter the captcha, you are clicking on the login button here. This will take you to your login to your property portal, and right side top you can see 3 line button, an icon, and you can click here and scroll down in this and click on the right to service option. This is the place you have to click right to service, and it will give you another 3-4 options. Under this you have to first open property ledger report. This is the option we are going to discuss now, property ledger. When you pay a tax, how to get the ledger for your property. And as you can see, the property details has come. It says as property ledger report. Please scroll down at the bottom of the page and you can select the report format, in which format you need your ledger. It is instant, you don't need to wait, and you can download PDF or Excel. So I just prefer PDF view. And under PDF, now property type you have to select whether you need a GPR, repair cess or property tax. I select property tax because I wanted to get the ledger on my property tax. And financial year, for which year you have paid the tax and for which year you need the ledger for. So you can select the ledger for any of the years if you have paid. You can see here a lot of options are there. I think it starts from 1901. I didn't verify whether it's available for 1901. But you can explore the options. I just select the year as 2015-16 here, and there is no need to give bill number. You can just click on the submit button itself. So there is a property ledger PDF. You can click on the download button. Sometimes it will download automatically. So as you can see, your property ledger is ready. So in this year, what is the payment you made and stuff will be here. Property number will be there. Your property tax details will be here. Property type is there. You can see here financial year 2015-16, because I had asked for those financial years, and bill amount is there. So how much you paid, how much cleared, everything is there in the receipt. Is good to go. Now let us we have seen the property ledger report. Now let us see property annexure. Annexure will have more details, more than just a payment and tax stuff. Annexure will have your property details also. I'll just show you how it is. Again, the right side on top line, 3 lines icon, click there and select the right to service from here. And when you click on the right to service, there will be a scroll down again. Under this you can select the annexure report button. See, this is the button which will give you the annexure report. So just click here and wait for some time. The annexure report book is opened. See here, property account number is there. You have to again specify which format you need the annexure for, PDF or Excel. I just select PDF, and annexure report also you can select which year you need the report for. Okay, I just click on the annexure report button, select button here, drop down menu in fact, when you click on the drop down menu, you have this many options. So this is a range of years, so you will not get much like the previous report you were getting, ledger summary. So this is Annexure report. I just wanted from 10/11 to 14/15 or 15/16 to 18/19, or you can get the new latest one is 19 to 20. So it's up to you which of the year you are looking for. I just selected 15/16 to 18/90. So your Annexure report for the property will be given here. You can click on the download button, and sometimes it is auto download. As you can see, I have downloaded the report here. This is 2-page report. See, it's clearly given. Now if you zoom it and see, you can see here what are the details: your ward, your property number, your zone, your sub-zone, everything is there. And also below you can see your complete property details, area in square meter, okay, it says meter, and residential, what is the type of property, is it a residential or something else, commercial, these details will be given here. Also other details, your property, age of building, factor value, a lot of things you can see here. Your capital value itself is given, what is the capital value as per government norms of your property, and if it is a flat, which floor it belongs to, all the details are clearly given here, as you can see. And your tax on capital value is also given. The second page, as you can see here, total carpet area, so this is a flat, so that's why it is giving carpet area. And total capital value for those 2 years we selected, both years are shown here. And total tax after things are also shown here. So signature of complainant. So as you can see, this is the complete Annexure report. And next video I'm going to show you how to get a no due certificate on your property. It is very easy and simple. Stay tuned. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, also give us a like. Thank you very much for watching.